When winter plans meet unpredictable weather, you want a jacket that works as hard as you do. This is the TACVASEN men's winter jacket, engineered to keep you warm, dry and ready for anything. The outer shell is water-repellent and windproof, designed to block gusts and light rain. Inside, a thick fleece lining traps heat without feeling bulky, so you stay comfortable on long outdoor days. The detachable fur hood, adjustable hem, and ribbed cuffs add extra protection where it matters most. Practicality is built in. Multiple secure pockets, chest, side, and an inner pocket give you safe storage for your phone, wallet, and essentials while on the move. The jacket's design balances rugged utility with clean, everyday style, making it ideal for hiking, commuting, travel, and casual winter wear. If you want to see current prices, size options, and verified reviews, check the Amazon product link in the video description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay warm out there.